First, we're going to do 3 cups of rice today with 3 pieces of KFC chicken. What we estimate is basically 1 cup of rice with 1 chicken. So just adjust it as you go. 2 and 3. Wash the rice as per usual. Put the water in there as per the rice cooker measurement, 3 cups. So we're going to use this Hainanese chicken rice mix. Per the instructions, I'm going to use half a jar. It's mainly garlic and ginger. Okay, that's about half. I'm going to add these pandan leaves. These are frozen from the frozen section in the Asian grocery shop. And I've washed it and tied it so that it doesn't go loose in the rice cooker. And I'm going to stir it now. To put the KFC chicken, basically I'm using 1 original chicken per 1 cup of rice. So you're going to put 3 in there. Turn it on. The ginger and spring onion sauce. So this is 4 tablespoons peanut oil. We need to heat it up about 3 to 5 minutes. And while it's still hot, pour it over the sauce. Now we're going to shred the chicken. They're really soft and tender. Now we're going to return this and mix it in the rice. It smells so good.
Me? Really, me or the rice?
Of course it's the rice.
So good.
이거 비니가 좀 걷고.
Whoa.
어디 생겼어?
Mmm.